everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy recipe that's huge on flavor. It's called Chicken Tinga. Chicken Tinga is a Mexican recipe, and really it's chipotle chicken. It's shredded chicken. You can use chicken breasts or chicken thighs. You cook it down and let it simmer in really easy to make chipotle sauce. It's great for serving tacos, burritos, tortas, pretty much any way you want to serve it, taco bowl. Again, super easy to make, real big on flavor, and it's something we just love in our house. So let me show you how to make it. All right, so first things first, we're going to whip together our super simple chipotle sauce. It's 2 components, really easy to make, and we'll be adding the seasonings later. So I have here a can of diced tomatoes, and you can use tomato sauce. So it's about 15 ounces. Just gonna pour it into a food processor. And I have a can of chipotles and adobo sauce, and or you can use just the adobo kind of crushed chipotles and adobo sauce. It's real smoky, awesome flavor. This is what's gonna give you that awesome chipotle deliciousness. And it's 7 ounces. So you got this put into a food processor and process it up. All right, look at that. Boom, done. Super easy. So I'm going to set this aside, and we'll get all set up to cook the chicken for Chicken Tinga. All right, let's make some chipotle chicken. Real easy recipe here, guys. I have a good-sized pan heated up to medium heat, and going to add a bit of olive oil. And first thing we do is we cook down some onion. I got some chopped onion. It's just a white onion, about a medium-sized onion, along with a jalapeno pepper. And you can use more. I just have 1 jalapeno. You can use more or less if you want to. Use hotter peppers if you want. Serrano, nice heat level. And just cook this down for about 5 minutes to soften it all up. And then we'll move ahead with the garlic and the chicken. All right, the veggies here are cooking down nicely. Next, we'll add our garlic. And I have a few cloves of garlic. You can use as much as you want to. Just give it a stir in the pan here. Smell the gorgeous garlic blooming. And here I have chicken thighs. I have a couple pounds of chicken thighs, and you can use chicken breast or mixture chicken thighs, chicken breast, so boneless. I'm going to just give a quick seasoning here, some salt and pepper of my chicken thighs, and just kind of give it a toss here. And all right, just going to pop this all into the pan and mix it around here. What we're doing is just get a nice brown on each side of the chicken, so just maybe a couple minutes per side. And you don't want to cook it all the way through. It's going to cook through in the sauce when I add the sauce. So, all right, let me cook this a couple minutes per side, and then we will continue. All right, flip these over, getting some nice browning here. All right. Chicken's looking good here. So next we will add the chipotle sauce mixture. Just gonna pour it right in. Get that scooped in there. Next we have our seasoning. So here I have a tablespoon of chili powder. I'm using an ancho powder, but you can really use like an American blend or pretty much any kind of chili powder that you want to. Try it with different ones. And I have a teaspoon here of Mexican oregano. Delicious. And a half teaspoon of cumin. Just pop that in. And some salt and pepper to taste. Use as much as you want to. And just go ahead and mix it all together. And once you get everything just mixed up, I mean, it's super easy. Just bring it to a real quick little light boil and just let it simmer for 30 minutes until the chicken cooks through. And the chicken gets super tender this way. And you'll be able to shred it apart super easily with forks, and crazy delicious, and again, super easy, isn't it? So, all right, just let it simmer and come back when we're ready to eat. Oh, look at that. Look how tender that chicken is. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. All right, this chicken is looking super tender. So next up here, we're just gonna move it over into a bowl very easily, and we'll go ahead and shred it up with a couple of forks to make it very simple. And then we'll transfer it back to the pan and let it simmer just a little bit longer to soak up all that delicious sauce. So, all right, let me get this shredded up. Oh yeah, look at how tender this is, how easily it shreds with a couple of forks. All right, just shred it all up, guys. All right, just about done here. Look at that, delicious shredded chicken. Oh man, all that awesome flavor. All right, we got this awesome chicken all shredded up. So next, just pop it back into your pan with the sauce. Make sure you get it all out of the bowl. Let me move it here. All right. And just give it a stir. And we're going to let it simmer for another 5 minutes or so, just to let the, the shredded chicken reabsorb as much of that delicious sauce as we can get. And that'll be just about it, guys. So let me come back in a couple minutes. When this is ready, we'll give her a taste and enjoy. All right, let's give this a taste. This is delicious. Seriously, the chicken is super tender, big chipotle flavor. Got a nice blooming heat to it. It's not too hot, but nice and spicy. I think you're gonna love this one. So that's it, guys. That's how you make chicken tinga, chipotle chicken. It's super easy to make, isn't it? I mean, it's done in 30, 35 minutes. A little prep time extra. But boom! I mean, it's huge on flavor, and so many ways to serve it. I mean, you can serve up chicken tinga tacos. Get some good torta bread. Make a chicken tinga torta. Pop it over some rice for a nice taco bowl, chicken taco bowl. Nachos. I mean, there's just so many different ways that you can enjoy this burrito. I mean, yeah, I love this stuff. It's crazy awesome. It freezes great too, so you can make yourself an extra big batch. But that's it. Let me know how you like it. Let me know how you spice it up. This is Mike from Chili Pepper Madness, and I will hope to see you for the next one. All right, talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.